Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet. And it is me, Richard, here. Yes, we are still continuing with grade 8 Natural Sciences. And what we are looking at here is one of the questions. It says that in an ecosystem, the interaction of different species help to keep the species in balance. These interactions include symbiosis, competition, commensalism, parasitism, mutualism. From the list above, identify the type of interaction described by the statement below. Okay, let me briefly explain some stuff here. These interactions, there's one word there which is very important: keeping the species in check or in balance. Okay, when you look at the jungle, you might think the lions are cruel when they are hunting the antelopes and bucks. But it happened once in Europe. Somebody came and killed all the foxes because foxes were hunting rabbits. He didn't know what he had just done. After like 5 years, the entire grassland collapsed. So in other words, there was nothing to check the population of the rabbits. So there was explosion of the population of the rabbits that they scorched the entire grassland. So in other words, what I'm trying to put across here is that every component of the ecosystem is very important, especially if you look at it in the eyes of a scientist. You fear lions, you don't want the carnivores because of the way they are hunting down the herbivores. But if that does not happen, the herbivores will explode and the entire ecosystem will collapse. So it is very important that whatever you see happens. So now these are the interactions. We categorize them into these groups. And the first class we are looking at is this one. 341. It says interaction where one partner benefit food, shelter, or transport from the other without benefiting or harming the other. So this is a relationship where one partner benefits and the other one does not lose or benefit. The other one is not harmed. So what kind of relationship is that one? We call it commensalism. So that is that, commensalism. Then comes this one. It says close relationship between two species where one organism benefit while the other one lose or is harmed. Okay. What do we call this one? It's an interaction where one benefit and the other one lose. This one is what we refer to as parasitism. Yes. In this case, the parasite can benefit transport, food, and other benefits, while the host lose or is harmed in the process. Yes, then comes this one. It says type of interaction between two species where both species benefit from the relationship. Yeah, what type of interaction is this one? The win-win relationship. We call it mutualism. Yes, that's that. Then comes this one. It says where two species share a variable limited resource such as food, water, and others. Okay. Then comes this question. It says when two species share a variable limited resource such as food, water, and others. What do you call that? That is what we call competition. I want us to look at this aspect. When you say the resource is variable means it has value. The chances are very high that the organism cannot do without it. And guess what? It is also limited. So these two words, this forces you into competition for that resource. Then comes this question. It says the general term for close relationship between two organisms of different species. What is it? The answer is symbiosis. Actually, all symbiosis is a general term. Whatever I've been looking at before, the competition, the mutualism, they are all symbiotic relationship. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bulletin, and it's me, Richard, here. Yeah, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to refer this channel to a friend. Like I always tell you, this is the best gift you can give to a friend. See you next time. Bye-bye.